Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Hello, enthusiasts, and here we are with our next item from our Holiday Your Way Notions Countdown. And so it comes in this cute little purple bag with a purple label, and it's called You Wind Me Up. Now, I think that clue's interesting because usually when I think of things winding, like I feel like they have to be round. Look at that's pretty thin. They have to be round. They have to have some thickness to them. So I don't necessarily know what you wind me up could mean in this situation, but I feel like a yarn winder or a bobbin winder, and those all have big, thick bulks. So I don't know what could possibly be in here, but and it's very rigid. So it doesn't have a lot of bendability to it, but it does have an interesting shape. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we can find on the inside. All right, what we have, woohoo! So we have a quilt binding spool. And so this is from Stitch Supply Co. We like Stitch Supply Co. They make some really cool, fantastic, awesome stuff. And so this is a quilt binding spool. Now you might ask, why would I need this? Well, so you're making that really big quilt and you've got that binding and it is trailing all over the floor and you're ironing it and it's just really, really, really long and it's becoming very unmanageable. Well, you can wind it around this just like you would embroidery floss, and it's going to hold it all together for you and it's going to be flat. And then that way you can add it. And as you wind it, you're simply unspooling it from here, just like you would be unrolling fabric from a bolt. And this will keep it nice. It'll keep it flat and it will definitely keep it even for you. So you won't have to worry about things coming unpressed and becoming misaligned. It's going to take care of all of that for you here on this spool. Some people like to do their binding at the beginning of the project. And for those people, this is for you because you can definitely put your binding on here. You can wrap it around and set it aside and it'll be ready for you when you're ready to jump right into it. I feel like there's also certain people that do their binding once they send their quilt top off to the long armor. So then that way it's ready to go. As soon as that quilt comes back from the long armor, you can put the binding on it and you'll be done. But we love this tool. There's a whole variety of colors in the box. So this might not be the color that you got, but we did like playing with the bright and fun nature. We like having bright and fun things in our sewing room that give us inspiration that we like using. And then this way we always remember to use it. This is one of those things that if it was kind of not super pretty, you might forget about it, but we liked that it would be bright, sparkly, and you would see it every time you needed it. So we love it and we hope that you do as well. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.